Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to install the latest version of the OpenFOAM. At this moment, the latest version of the OpenFOAM is OpenFOAM 13, but you can do the same for installing any kind of OpenFOAM, any kind of version. So it's very straightforward. Just follow the steps by me. Do it. You go to the openfoam.org, the first website when you search on the Google, and you here have all the procedures that you need to do step by step. It's very straightforward. Just copy and paste. Let's first copy the first command, then minimize. You open an internal terminal, then you open in terminal. I'm going very slow so you can follow me. Like copy and paste, which is your password is required. You write your password. One point that you have to pay attention: when you write your password in Linux, it doesn't show your password when you're typing, but it's just typing. I mean, it's okay. We don't need to see your password or like star when you type your password. Okay, just write your password, then hit enter. It was wrong. If you already have installed some other versions of OpenFOAM in your server, or you have already installed some OpenFOAMs in your Linux, you don't need to do the first two steps that I'm doing now. Just you can start from the third step that I will do it later on. It's done. Then we update our app. Go to terminal. Yay, I'm doing it very slowly. Then now we are ready to install OpenFOAM 13. If you want to install OpenFOAM 13, you need to have Ubuntu. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Ubuntu 20, yeah, or 22, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, at least 22. So if you want to install it, and if you get some errors by Ubuntu 20, just change your versions of Linux. So in that case, it will work. It's gonna take a while to install this OpenFOAM. It downloads and installs at the same time, so it's very straightforward. Just by copying some 2 or 3 or 4 more or less commands, you can install your OpenFOAM easily. It's super easy. Then let's check meanwhile. Yeah, if you get some errors when you install your OpenFOAM, try to check this link. There are some common errors that people get when they want to install OpenFOAM. Just try to check these, or of course you can try ChatGPT or any other AIs to solve your problem, or just write it in comments. And if I knew the answer, I would of course reply to you. But the easiest option is just checking these installation problems that are already in the website, or check with the other AI tools. I'm gonna pause the video now, and I'm gonna let's see which. No, it's gonna take a while. Okay, the installation is complete now, but at the end of the installation, you will see a note here that to use OpenFOAM, please add this line to your bash.rc file. So let's see how we can find it. It's not a big deal. So just open your files here, and the bash.rc file should be here, but you don't see it because it's a hidden file. Remind later. I don't need any updates. Okay. If you want to see your Basharsi file, you can also open it with terminal, uh, like OpenFOAM says gedit Basharsi, but I'm going to show you where is exactly Basharsi and how does it look like. Just go to your home folder, then type Control H, then you will see the hidden files. One of them is .basharsi. Open it. Then at the end of your file, just copy and paste this line here. Control S. It's been saved. Now it's okay. So here, yeah, it's quite weird that. Okay, yeah, there was a delay in terminal. So what we should do, go to the OpenFOAM Foundation website, write, copy to see if your OpenFOAM has been installed and has been configured correctly. Paste. Yeah, as you can see, you see all those information, but I'm not gonna stop here. I'm going to teach you, I'm going to let you know that to just run your first simulation, see those simulations, that how is it going. Just wait a moment, we will find it. So where is OpenFOAM? Where it's been installed? Then click on Ubuntu, or if you have other versions, then try to find OPT. This is here. As you can see, this is our OpenFOAM installation folder. You have everything, but for the beginners, you don't need any of these folders. The only thing that you need for your first simulations is the tutorials folder. You just copy this, go to the home, like try to just copy somewhere like desktop. Yeah, it's good. Paste. Okay. Here, you have all your tutorials that you need, that you have already. So I'm going to just try one of them. See film, no, fluid, microphone, yeah, cavity. If you go to the tutorials in fluid, then cavity, this is one of the simplest tutorials that every tutor tries to start with. Copy this. Don't you can change the tutorials here, but I think the best option is just copy the folder and you don't change the main tutorials. But if you can change it, you can also again copy it from the OPT, but never change any tutorial in the OPT. And paste it here, open it, open in terminal. Let's wait a bit. You are already in the cavity folder. How will you do it? Write block mesh. It worked. What it does, it just creates the geometry on mesh. And if we need the solver, we go to the control D. Solver name is fluid. But here, don't write fluid, we write from run. Enter. String has been finished. Then write perform. I don't want to teach you how this cavity folder is working. It's just something close. Just I'm going to run our first simulation. Click apply. This is our geometry. This is the mesh. Not the, it's not a good mesh, but yeah, at least it's a mesh. You can choose one of the parameters. Yeah, surface is better. Yeah, this is the contour of velocity. We have a moving wall velocity here. Then this is the run. Let's play it. You see that we have a cavity here, but it doesn't matter. Just it's working. Yeah, you see it's working. We have velocity, we have pressure, river contours. Like we have temperature. Yeah, okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. I'm gonna upload in the future some other tutorials which are more complex. It was a beginner tutorial for some people that are going to start with OpenFOAM. I hope it helped you and see you in the next tutorial.